at this point, bro, what? Call them. Call them the queen. Hi, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So, I'll be reacting to Rose by HANA. Okay, so my very first time just getting the chance to know of HANA's music. You know, I think there are like about 7 individuals in this group, and I think each individuals are very, very good. You know, very good at dancing, singing, you know, very well at performing as well. No, it's a complete package for them, right? They are doing excellently. And to see another track by them, bro, I'm excited because I want to see if it's a major difference from the last time I've seen them, from the last time I reacted to them. You know, just to get myself a little bit educated by their music. So, you know, with this being said, let's venture. So this is actually looking very digital. You know, with the robot stance, with the similarities in the figures. I'm not sure they are literally people, but it looks very digital. You know, with artificial intelligence, it looks very digital. All right. Love can make you do some crazy things. Love can make you go the extra mile. Love can make you go a limit of certain limitation, right? Love can make you do some things that is not necessary. Once you're crazy about that person, once you love that person, then eventually you will pull a weapon, like from a mile away, like a couple miles away, just to unalive or just to hurt that person because that person hurt you. And look at this video. Right, there's a sniper rifle and she's aiming at something. I guess she's aiming at someone who she want to take down. So let's continue. Oh, rip, rip. Hey, the video is great, bro. The video is great. The video is great. The video is great. So they transitioned into another barren land. I guess this land is reminding me of, you know, Resident Evil, right? And it's giving me that reminder, bro. Like, what the heck is going on here, bro? This is why I love them, right? Because when it comes on to dancing display, all right, it's always energetic. And whenever time they're dancing, the movement of the dances, bro, it's like a full time vibrator, right? It's just moving along, moving along. That's how powerful their dances are, bro. Trust me, always entertaining, my G. So if you want to get closer, you can't resist. Love is very beautiful. Love is such an amazing thing when you find love, bro. Right? If you want to get closer, you can't resist. Like, how can you resist someone that we love if you want to get closer to them, bro? Trust me. It can't work like that, man. Trust me. It have to be genuinely realistic. Ra, 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 ra. Rap, rap, rap. Yeah. Yeah. What a wonderful music. What a beautiful message. It's coming from women. Just imagine, right? A love song, which is called Rose, coming from 7 women, right? Women do not have any say on this, bro. Like, come on, they are women. Like, show some respect. Ah! Bro, bro, they are getting crazy out here. Okay, so we have to put some respect on their names, right? We have to put some respect on the video, right? Halfway they're dancing, bro. The place look a little bit dirty, but you know, with love, bro, you can travel miles away. You can go through the worst terrain. You can go to the nicest places just because of love, bro. Love can make you do things that you never think of doing because of that particular partner, bro. Right? Let us love that person, bro. Let us all cherish that person, bro. Because you know, in this time and age, bro, love is very hard to find. And love is not hard to find, but people are just acting like love isn't real. And love is real, bro. Love is real. Wait. So all those artificial intelligence things, right? Are they the artificial love that they are trying to seek or trying to take out? Because bam, 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 you realize that everything is just get shattered from the head down below, right? So are they trying to seek the love but have to take out the artificial love before? Hmm, quite interesting. You guys should let me know because it is very good to see this, right? Very good. At this point, bro, what? Crown them. Crown them the queen of music. Right? Crown them, bro. Crown them. Very beautiful music video. One of the best crew or group that came out of Japan. This is amazing, bro. This is amazing. I gotta say that was a very good video. Very good digital love video. So, if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in the next content, man.